This thing's on. Oh,
he's stalking you.
Okay. And what do you guys think they should? So, are you guys the government?
yeah.
And T-Pain really doesn't like you guys? Do you think he'll have anything intelligent to say that makes a good argument, or?
Can you sign this, please?
My profession is killing Indians.
Hi. Jared, how could you not know?
What's the problem?
Elsa?
Hi, Mr. Hogan.
Why did you forget the 8?
Paxton, what group are you in?
Ranchers.
And what do you guys think they should do with the rainforest?
Cut down more trees so we can build. No. Yes.
Wait, cut down more trees for what? Alright, so you guys are the rubber tree tappers. And you're done with this days in advance.
Yeah. No,
Are you
we did yesterday. We did it yesterday.
So are you guys pretty good students?
Just colored today.
Alright. Thank you. Glad you got that done. This is the group. What did your sister do?
She decided to draw a barn on my settlers poster.
Yeah, not a lot of bright red barns in the Amazon.
So, are you videotaping us?
No.
He's videotaping it.
The whole camera
It's the red light right there.
I just think it's the red light.
Is this better?
So do you want to ask me a question or what?
So we wanted to get our food, which is probably going to go at my house, but we didn't have enough time to have so much other stuff that we need. This is kind of like what we were going to have it. Yeah, we're going to have like,
This will be a debate among 6 different groups that live in the rainforest, and we will be deciding today, hopefully, on a responsible course to take for the rainforest. Gotta get close on that one. This is a lovely group. Everybody's happy to be here. Especially Trenton. And all these kids are going to have some great, intelligent stuff to say. I think this is the first oval poster we have had in the history of the rainforest debate.
And trees that have lived there for hundreds of years. If we preserve the rainforest and the air, it will become cleaner and less polluted.
Thank you.
We the settlers were looking for land to grow a small portion of crops to survive and provide food for ourselves. We're very poor, and we believe the rubber tree tappers and the ranchers are to blame for this because they're cutting down all of the land. They're cutting down a lot of the land, and we need to survive.
Environmentalists stand for the preservation of the Amazon rainforest. Our banner shows that some of the animals and plants that reside in this beautiful place are that we want to preserve them because there's a lot of endangered species that are in the Amazon rainforest, so we want to save them. And our phrase, keep a tree, keep a breath, is referring to all the oxygen provided. We blame the native Amazonians because they want to claim our land. We think a portion of the rainforest should be modernized and for everybody to have the equal land. Our banner represents the meat that we would sell to you. Cutting down trees, but we would like to plant at least 2 trees for every tree we cut down. The rainforest will expand as we cut down trees. We won't be cutting down 50% of our world's oxygen. We think the rubber tappers are to blame for the conflict in the rainforest because they are the ones that started trespassing. The business ban on our poster represents the government working on solving other people's problems as well as our own.
Numerous trees for every one that they keep alive.
Well, wouldn't it mean that, okay, if they had one tree that was, if they only did that tree and then they did 100, like, yards,
Yards.
then it'd be fine trees? Because they're just doing it 100 yards apart. They're not doing it to the other trees around it.
Well,